What's going on out here, huh? Person walked all the way out looking down at his phone. Didn't even look up once. Surprised he found his way out to his vehicle. He's probably driving, looking down at it now. There he is. Yellow Jeep. Good boy. Get your nose up, buddy. You don't eat these. Oh, what's that, huh? Somebody honking at you? Yeah, it's just an alarm. There's some more balloons, buddy.
Dan? Hey, Dan. Good boy.
Be a good puppy dog. Yes, you have. You get up and dance for me, huh, buddy? Ooh, that's good. That was good and smooth. Ooh, wow. Look at you. You the dancing king. You gonna do it again? Oop. Can't get it right every time. Gotta spin all the way around, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Not a lot of room there, is there? That's good. They teach you to be precise. Spin around. Gotta dance all the way around. Good boy. Good puppy dog. You're a good boy. Do it again. Come over here. Good boy. Dance a jig. Come on, dance a jig. Dance a jig. Oh yeah, that's good. See, there's a difference between the spin and the jig, huh? Get over here and do the jig. Nope, got a jig. Jig. Okay, yeah, dancing jigs. Okay, one more. Ooh, yeah, good puppy dog. All gone. It's all gone, little man.
Oh, that was awesome. Dan? Good boy. Dan? Hey, gonna dance?